So over the northern Indian Ocean, you have significant seasonal wind changes, okay, from one season to the other season. This is to do by has to do with the heating of continents during the northern hemisphere summer and the shift of the intertropical convergence zone over the Asian continent during that time. Okay, and this is shown here on the left map. The red line is the intertropical convergence zone, and this changes the wind direction over the northern Indian Ocean. Okay? It's called the southwest monsoon because the winds tend to come from the southwest. Okay, and then in the opposite phase of the monsoon, the northeast monsoon, it sort of moves back to the more normal condition, which is normal in other oceans where the intertropical convergence zone sits around the equator. Okay? And then you have the wind coming from the. Okay, so it's pretty obvious that during the southwest monsoon, it's the wet season for southern Asia because the wind can bring, or the air can take up moisture from the ocean, and the uplift that you have over mountains can induce rainfall. Okay? The northeast monsoon is the dry season for most of southern Asia. Okay? So now, if you think about the wind-driven circulation of the ocean, it all becomes a little bit more difficult in the Indian Ocean. Okay, so if you plan a sailing trip with your grandma, it is a little bit more tricky to estimate where you actually end up. Okay, if you stay more than 6 months. Okay, so be careful.